How we are talking about on the program today, Chargy? Boy, me never see nobody ring so bomb but yo dog, the man a face the different, brother. People, we live, and if you didn't know, yo, people, big up on yourself. I said them a try to set me up. You are going on, man. We are talking about the Gully Brothers. Who's the Gully Brothers? Big up Gully side. We are talking about Foota hype, Vado, Flex. Flex in the complex. A be a shot a lick. Yo, right now, me a telling the people, you're so nice. Never see drama like this. No, we have we veteran entertainer, selector, you know what I mean? Warrior for dancehall, for the culture, for Jamaica upon a whole. You know what I'm saying? Foota hype represent straight cross, right? Well, 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 well. No, you don't know for some while now, right? Foota hype always a speak in mind as well. When me I go say speak in mind, me I have to just mention flex right away cause get no more worse than we will soon get there anyway. No, Foota hype, say Foota hype always say they are brothers, right? So fans, listeners of the artists what me I speak of, don't take it personal. Demand them are brothers, right? And on the program, we say the Gully Brothers, right? Because them represent Gully side. So here we go on, big up Gully side. Now, Foota hype a call out Flex, and I make Flex no say. Brawling, say, here we go on now, brother. See, he's a great writer, he write good lyrics, you know what I mean? But when you are deliver the song, them just nah reach, them nah connect, right? So I must say, the virgin pen skill is very on point, can put next to the best of the best. So him see where he must say, boy, the artist need to start write for some artists who can deliver the song them. No. You know say flex not take chat. As a matter of fact, you look like say flex wake up with him head a bubble. Boil up like flour in a pot. Hot. Sizzling hot. Virgin. Them a man a head hot like anyway spot you can find a lava them. This flex there with the thing. Flex not take chat from nobody. You see me? So here we are going now. You know say that name I go slide. Only for hear the virgin I say, boy, when it flex man I lie still. When I got the dead mother thing still, man, I said, January. Man, I have a cup of coffee and it there all over the ground. Man, I said, Jesus have mercy. Round here, so never want this so nice so early Rasta, but the Gully brothers, them hardcore in a Rasta, and the regular gangster, them, people on the heart too soft, calm down. The man a bad man, a bad people attack. When I hear the bad people them attack people, make we just listen. And don't speculate too much. Cause uno no want go say nothing and make Flex attack uno. No, Foota hype I say. Flex can always go and talk off him mouth over the cause he must speak for him story. And his story where he must speak have the three of them in it. So it's impossible for him speak him story and Flex not get mentioned. And Flex I say, hey boy, see a lick in a face thing and Foota hype a laugh. And I say, I want to go on to my brother. I say we are brother dog. No Vado, no talk, none at all. So we never know what Vado think. You understand? I would know say Vado are the man. You understand? Yeah. Are the God that. Now, Foota hype have him point and you can't blame a man for him have to say. You understand? Every man have them own point, them own reasoning for a certain situation. And him was the man who was there from day one. So him know what I talk about. You understand? So a lot of us who are listening, a lot of things may not connect 100% cause We ain't live it with the man them. You understand me? And that's what people have to understand and overstand or whatever you want to do with it, Bridget. But just know this say. At the end of the day is you never get physical between these three people. You understand? And you have to be smart na this thing and know say, yo, a entertainment. And also you keep your name active in the thing. Cause more while you need somebody to talk something, but you know nobody come talk nothing about seven over here. You see me? Cause right now, Bridget, yeah. Korea go on in a brother. Me see all me say Vegas star boil up like blood clot dumpling in a pot. Vegas a like all spice thing. Me say, mama. Now, me I tell you this, Bounty Killer get blamed for this. Bounty Killer, big up yourself, but you get blamed for this. You know, say from your call Mr. Vegas, Vegas, he mash up your man blood clot brain, right? That mash up Vegas brain. Vegas hate Bounty Killer so bad that me know when Vegas a guy in bed, people pray for great things. Him a pray for killer dead. There's a couple of artists where me know say hate Bounty Killer. Like them hate Bounty Killer, you fuck. Da. Bounty Killer have a whole graveyard of artists we're responsible for. Jesus have mercy. I will put headstone on them grave. Cause I tell you say this I don't pay and I go sleep. I tell you say Vegas mad, 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 mad. No Vegas spill over the fire so much that the man want call cartel name night and say a cartel and spice mash up dancehall people with the rascal that go and run it so. Cartel still I get blame virgin after all this time. No, this is what me want to know. Me name the people. And if them fuckery I keep up, fuck with that. You see me? Me name was a spice. Can something go so though? Cause me never hear of no man a sing about them all good and them something. Me never did know that that was possible to even say. Like, what the blood clot I go and run and say, yo, Virgin, light up my spliff. It's too much. People, what the fuck I go on? When Spice do that, right? And why Spice do that when do some shit like that? So how come Spice do that and me not hear the rest of them go off? By now, Bobo Hill should have dip on fire, burn up. Bobo Hill should have start the fire right now like a volcano run down in the city and burn up every blood clot body. So what go on? You tell me say this real? I know in a Jamaica it take place, right? Cause if a Jamaica and uno no out there, I go on and do nothing. Me no want to hear nothing more from uno. Even if I overseas, rest them too quiet. I'm like the bubble them get rich ass and they don't give a fuck again. And that means right now to your Bridget. Enough man use certain image to get where them want get, and when them get where them want get, it's fuck off here, sir. I hate that. But Mr. Vegas still want bounty killer for dead. I don't know why. Mr. Vegas is a very strong thing that we wish on a person and calling out another female artist out there by saying that spices stink and spice spoil dancehall and the generation and blaming a man that's incarcerated that has nothing to do with you, Mr. Vegas. You should take it up with Bounty Killer. Is Bounty Killer tell him to call you Vegas? It wasn't Vibes Cartel and Spice. And Spice cannot stop you, Mr. Vegas. We all know say you're bigger than Spice. But this is where they get to Mr. Vegas. Them know say it's a very emotional umbre. And when they get in a Mr. Vegas feelings, him have to just vomit and call you stink and blame the dancehall fraternity. Say Bounty Killer tag him with a name like Vegas, which is a fucked up thing for do. I mean, let's be real. Who for chip wouldn't lick? If a man tag you with a name like Vegas and he stick by your rasta, that fucked up, virgin. But who am I to say when Bounty Killer is rotting and filling up his graveyard of artists? Huh? Run your nice, make sure so no subscribe. Lord clot, the gully brother them a war. Flex, why? I can't tell you what to say, brother, but me I tell you say, when you did say that thing there, originally coffee drop a ground, me I say, what it this virgin here wake up in a one boiling pot of hot water, virgin. What this a man head so hot? I mean, at the moment, Flex was ready for fight. Probably two chop, allegedly, but you know, I don't think it'll go get to that. And I hope it not get to that. Because as we say, these are the Gully brothers. Very legendary in the game. Right? Now, Flex I say, this is the hilarious part. Flex I say, remember, only a man know you can cuss a certain way. Flex I say, remember, I say, you love sweets, Me, I say, not a blood clot, no Foota hype. You can't say Foota hype love sweets, road boy. No sweets around here. Burn out the sweets out of the blood clot thing, Flex. Or you figure put sweets pan Foota hype, and I say, the man licky. Jesus have mercy. Me, I said, no, not Foota hype. Foota hype says hilarious. Foota hype a laugh. Foota hype say make Flex go and cuss and go on with them blood clot antics. Cause my story is my story. Tell him to go tell his story. Me I say rascal. When Flex hear that, me I tell her say the pot cover fly off. It boil over. Flex have to push him up in a one place around a one part, brother. Cruel, very loud and bold and violent. Live from the gully. They almost had to call a fire truck. It was almost another hurricane on the island. With the wrath of Flex, one of the baddest gully brothers. And by now, Flex must tell him in a billion ways who him figure twist up, where him figure truck off, and a punch in her face. And them say, mavado so rich, him don't even talk. I cannot blame the brother cause these days anything you say they use against you. I would have stayed quiet too. But this is entertaining people. As you can hear and see what's going on the media. It's very entertaining. But from what? Can't even say about pandis. From what yeah. Oh my god. I don't know how I go on how a fish tack. Come like a net bus. A net bus and one of them fish. Look, look. What a blood clot do not tell me say. Huh? I will not tell me say. Over fish tack. Man over fish tank. I send party picture go give people for help with your body. What the bombarous clot are going on there. So me not, yo, some things are going, me not ready for them or something. Me not ready for hear this, Virgin. Me never ready for hear this. Like, seriously, Virgin? You know just go on to the blood clot hospital. No, publicly, it's out there. Woman, I see a open door, brother. Rascal. Him no good. As a bad cat would have say, you stain, brother. You no good again, a blood clot. Look, people, make sense out of fuckery. No, man. Me never hear this in my life. Right? Who take pitch? Look, man. Look, hear me now, man. Big up on yourself. We not talk about that a blood clot. Not for my program. Sick stomach, light me spliff. Disinfect out the blood clot studio cause a fuck you are going over fish tank. And to me decent listeners them over YouTube here. You know say over here so we purify the place. The water clean over here. Wash out them jaja, wash them out, wash out them ras. Sealer. Big up on yourself. Mm-hmm. And Bounty Killer. Send me some Vegas a Christmas gift. The Virgin Earth here, sir. Bumbuck lad.